Hi! In front of me is OPPO RENO 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications from apps of your choosing on this smartphone. First of all, select Settings. Now you need to click on Notifications and Status bar over here, and after that click on Manage Notifications. Then scroll down and tap on the sweater next to an app from which you want to block notifications from, like Booking.com. As you can see, all notifications from Booking are now off. If you wish to turn them back on, just click on the same sweater. But you can always just click on one of your apps instead and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!